You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared.
So, I always get asked, has your hair always been that long? So this is my hair back in 2014 versus 2016. As you guys can see from the very beginning, my hair has not always been this long. But I thought it was still important to kind of take you guys back into my journey and show you just how far my hair has come. So here we go, 2016, when I started to really up my hair game. So, as you guys seen in the beginning, in 2014 my hair was super damaged and did not have any life at all. It took a lot to get to this stage of where I had completely healthy hair. So, back in this time I also had a pretty bad diet, so my face looks more fuller than in 2016, but that's for another video. So, here's the beginning of 2016, the last time I got my hair cut officially. This was my last diva cut after getting my hair cut at least 2 times before. So as you can see, my hair was pretty short, but it also looked very much healthier than when I was in 2014 and had super damaged hair. So if you go back to my older videos, you'll see that I went through that kind of awkward stage where my hair wasn't short, but it also wasn't long. It was just kind of like awkward. And I really did like my hair at this stage because I had a lot of volume and my curls came through very easily because they weren't as long and didn't have a lot of weight weighing them down, so it was pretty easy to achieve that defined curly look. But even at that stage, I kind of just made my hair work the way that it was. I didn't really care that it wasn't that long or that it wasn't flowing in my back. I just was kind of just doing my own thing, and eventually it just started to grow. This is my hair not that long after I got it cut in 2016. During this time, I was doing a lot of moisture treatments and I was also doing a very lot of DIYs. At this time is when I started to get more into YouTube and started to get a lot of questions on why I wasn't using certain products. So I also started to branch out and use more store-bought products around this time. It was kind of an awkward time for me because I was trying to figure out what products I liked the best, at the same time stay true to myself and do my DIYs, which were always my favorite to do and put in my hair. My hair was starting to get a lot fuller and the length wasn't really there when my hair was curly, but when I wet my hair I would always see it. And this was around the time that I was using a lot of my oils. If you go back on my channel, you'll see that I did a lot of videos containing oils because at this time I was using oils so much in my hair and my hair was growing very fast because of it. And I also was using my DIY growth oil a lot more around this time. I was also starting to notice that with natural hair, your hair always expands first and then drops later. So if you haven't been following me for a while, then 2017 is a journey that you're more familiar with. This is when I started to reap the benefits of all the things I did in 2016. So my hair looked very much healthier and it also was a beginning to actually drop down and get a little bit longer. So this is my hair when I was first figuring out how to define it and just work with it a lot more. And I also took a lot of tips from the hairstylist in my Diva Curl salon who told me that I needed to focus a lot on the back of my hair and make sure that I was moisturizing. And for that reason, my hair started to droop down and get longer. So as you guys see, everything that I did in 2015 on up leading into 2018 set the tone for this time. So yes, you guys, my hair has always had length, but it's never been this healthy and never been at this length. So it's never been this long. And everything that I did to my hair eventually paid off, and that's why it looks so amazing now, and you guys are just seeing the after effects. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like for me to go more in depth with the beginning of my natural hair journey, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
how good